place it on record that when the day is about to break, that is usually the darkest moment. Yes, we as a party, we're going through our darkest moment right now because the day is about to break for a new order in our country. We do have challenges ahead of us. Do we have the capacity to take on those challenges and rise above them? Absolutely. I do not have any doubt that we have that capacity. So please, don't be discouraged at all. The political situation that we're in right now, I can liken it to a bird that has learned to fly without perching. The hunter also will learn to shoot without missing. So this they encourage. We'll give all our support to the Interim National Working Committee that are about to be announced and inaugurated. And for INEC, they have the opportunity to redeem that institution. Because for those that are working against the continued sustenance of democracy in Nigeria, they will have their date with history. Yes, they will. So they have the opportunity to redeem their image, ensure that what we're doing in accordance with the Constitution of the People's Democratic Party, they allow it to start. This is 2/3 of PDP net members. It is unimaginable that in this day and time, INEC is supposed to be the one to tell people who are members of a certain political party, not the party saying, this is my member. Let me leave you with the word from the Holy Book, from the Holy Bible. It says, weeping may endure for a night, and the morning joy cometh. Joy is coming. PDP!
We were elected in a transparent, free, and fair national convention that was conducted in the historic city of Ibadan. Since that time, we had set out to do whatever we can to ensure that the confidence reposed in us in that convention was not misplaced. But beyond that, we fought to make sure that the image then being created that PDP was going to Ibadan to bury their party was shown to be incorrect. From a party that was struggling to stand on its feet, fought hard to make sure that PDP remained afloat. We fought hard to make sure that PDP remained irrepressible. We fought hard to make sure that PDP remains alive. We fought hard to make sure that PDP today remains the biggest and the leader of all opposition elements in this country. I want to agree with most of our leaders who have made remarks in this extraordinary meeting that we have a serious task ahead of us. And I want to assure you, Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, that my team and my humble self are equal to the task. And we will make sure that PDP again work very hard, not only to be on the ballot, but to win all the off-season elections that are coming our way very soon. And indeed, Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, that PDP shall field candidates for all elected offices. We will come up with a presidential candidate who will not only contest 2027 elections, but will win it for us and win it for Nigeria. So in all this, I want to encourage us to remain steadfast, to continue to remain resilient, and to continue to remain calm.
Where is Dr. Tony?
It's not going to be easy, but certainly it is not impossible. PDP has done it before, PDP has repeated it again, and PDP will do it this time around. Finally, on behalf of the just inaugurated interim members of the National Working Committee, I want to thank you again and assure you of our utmost and undiluted loyalty to the party and to the cause of this nation. Working together, we shall win by the special grace of God. PDP!